Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from mostly cloudy Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got most of the indices, the exception being the transports, trading lower. The Dow's off 200, the S&P 11, the NASDAQ 100 down 57 points. The transports are up 49 points, printing out at 11,798. Gold's off $2, silver down 10 cents. Light sweet crude is off 80 pennies out there. Let's begin by taking a look at the S&P 500. Really very unusual market signals out here. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take a look at the S&P. Here's what we know. First, we know that Stevie's oscillator and change line, that's the green squiggly line, it's either green or red, which has meaning, is truly resistance. We can see over the course of the last 4 days, we're in day 5, Monday we had a nice close below it, and ever since then, price has found resistance. Yesterday never made it up to that line, but today, 2 days ago, Tuesday, tested and rejected. So what that means is, directionally speaking, bearish. Now, when I say bearish, I'm just referring directionally speaking, meaning that it should move lower. And in this case here, what's really odd about the S&P 500 right now is if we take a look at the, to confirm the message here of the S&P, we take a look at the ES Mini. Price is trading below the bottom of its daily profile. It's a bullish structured profile. That tells us about a change in trend, ordinarily. But when we take a look at the market breadth out here, this is the thing that is odd. And what is that? If you take a look at the very right-hand panel, you're going to see the speed dials for the S&P 500. You'll see weekly, daily, 240-minute, and 60-minute. And each of these speed dials is in the green zone. Each of these speed dials is bullish out here. I mean, even the short-term time frame chart for the S&P 500 for its 60-minute time frame is set at bullish. I mean, look at this. On a 60-minute basis, 267 instruments are trading above the top of that profile versus at the bottom, there's only 78 instruments where price is trading below those. That is for the 60-minute time frame. This is a very bullish setup out here with regard to the S&P 500. That's why I say it is so confusing with regard to these markets. But folks, stay tuned. I give you the truth. It is that simple because all we do is just take a look at market signals out here. We just took a look at one of them. Can somebody out there figure out what is it that we're missing here? S&P down, or the futures are off 10 points out here. But positive market breadth. Something to think about. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show. Drop to start your Friday. Have a fantastic one.